Oh, have a seat.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Alright. Sit. Alright. I'm Yulisa, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we start our interview now?
Alright, can.
Okay, first, can you introduce yourself?
First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Amirul Islam Ahmad, and I'm currently take a Bachelor of Counseling, which is I'm fresh graduated from the University Malaysia Sarawak Unimas. So currently I have finished my internship, which is I try to intern at the children with have a disability about learning and emotional regulation.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you. So, why do you apply for this position?
For me, I believe that my skills, which is I'm professional, not professional. I'm ability to have a communication calmly, and I have a special skill, which is emotional regulation with children with disability about learning or difficulty about behavior. So I believe my skills can help them to improve your company.
Alright. So, most important I need to know is what is your strength?
My strength,
Yeah.
not more strength that I have, but I try to do my best. Which is my strength is I have quite strongly about about communication, and based on my experience, I have teach the school, the high school about how to communicate clearly or objectively efficiency communication with student and teacher. And then after that, I think these skills can make the student respect people.
Understand. So, how about your weakness?
So my weakness, I think the strongly is I little bit nervous when I try to speak a big group, big group, which is front in the government, front in the government setting, front in the people. I little bit nervous, but I try to come out with try to join any program that try to make me comfortable, or program that have presentations exercise, which is.
So, how could you use your strength to contribute to the company?
I think based on I search with your company, I find psychology, which is I would like to apply this position because I have a communication skill and emotional regulation. So the two skill I think that I have, I can try to make your company, which is I help you to guide the children with disability about learning and behavioral difficulty.
Okay. So, what do you plan to do to overcome your weaknesses?
Alright, for now, I try to, like I said, I try to join any program that follow to presentation practice, which is seminar, which is the program that I would like to the group, and after this I presentation my project. Alright, to reduce my nervous.
Alright. Okay. So next, what could be the challenge working in this position of field?
Yeah. Right now I see about the challenges because I teach the children who have disability about learning and they have the difficulty. So I know that some children not have the same pace. Another children might be faster in the group, another children with low level skill, and then I try to, so I try to improve the skill bit to bit, and I try to do my best for the company.
So what are some achievement you are proud of?
For right now, I'm very proud about my internship lah. But my internship is I intern at the company, which is focused on children disability. So I more understanding about how the children with disability operation, how they're thinking, how their behavior. When they are try to stress, they are try to action like I want to be stressed. I want to be stressed person, something like that. So I can now the corak the pattern of the children with disability. So I can ready to the treatment.
So, why do you want to work for us?
Uh, maybe one thing that I like this company is I like to sharing my knowledge or help the people with children disability to get a better life in the world.
Okay, last but not least, if we accept you, is there anything you expect from us?
I hope if I receive accept from your company,
Yeah.
I can get more guidance from your company pattern to guide how to improve the children's skill disability. So this is my hope.
Alright, so yeah, thank you Amirul.
Thank
So
you.
that's all.
Alright, thank you.
Alright. Alright. Dia apa itu?